So it's downloading plugins. Internet is bad, so I don't have 4G at the moment. If you come across such an error like this, just copy all of this into ChatGPT and say, give me a step-by-step guide to solve this problem. Then ChatGPT is going to list possible solutions. First one is check internet connectivity. So I'm going to take this code and go to terminal, and by the time I pasted this here, I saw that we are receiving ICMP packets. So internet connection is not a problem here. So here is another one we can try. So copy this, you can paste this and I hit enter. It says not found. Let me visit the website. So plugin.nessus.org is not found. So could there be a problem on the website? So check disk space. Well, this is not the problem here on step 2 because I can see I have enough disk space. If I go and check this place, I have free space 56 GB. At this time of the year, I would want anyone who's gonna install Kali Linux on virtual machine to target 80 to 100 GB in order to be free from low disk space problems. So that is not a problem. So let's go ahead and see. This is step 3. Run this update. So let's see if we can do this. So we're using Linux. So let's try this. Now hit enter. Asking for password. So while that is trying to download plugins, this is for Windows command. We don't need this. And step 4, check proxy or firewall setting. Ensure plugin.nessus.org and download.nessus.org are not blocked. If using proxy, configure Nessus to use this. So the thing there is this: we just suspend whatever you're doing, come back another time and continue your installation. So I'm going to try the update. So you can see we are in 3% now. When this gets to 100%, I will come back and show you how far I've gone. So here it says error, Nessus plugin, network error while receiving data. Nessus plugin failed. Nessus core component complete. Fail to update Nessus plugin. Nessus core components are now up to date and changes will be automatically processed by Nessus. Alright. So now it says Nessus has no plugin, therefore functionality is limited. So I'm going to close that. Now, during your Nessus installation, for any reason you have a network problem, as you can see here, it says download failed, and in my own issue, it was due to a network error. There was a disconnection in the network, or again it could be lack of disk space or something else entirely. Take one of the following corrective actions. So how do you know what to do? I just copy all of this or type it if you can select, and you go over to, and I said I was asked to do this, to run this command. I just hit enter, and ChatGPT had to explain to me that I'll need to update using terminal. But before I will update, I need to do the following. So here is the command to update. Said sudo opt nessus sbin nessus cli update. So this is what I copied, and I went to a terminal and paste that here. It asks my password, and it says refreshing Nessus license information, and started downloading the plugin. And as I'm speaking now, I'm at 84%. So never panic when you see this download failed. Just do as I just said and wait to see what happens when we get to 100%. So we're here at 99%, and now we're unpacking. And as you can see, Nessus core component downloading, Nessus core component complete. Nessus plugins are now up to date, and the changes will be automatically processed by Nessus. Nessus core components are now up to date, and the changes will be automatically processed by Nessus. So now that the Nessus components download is complete, it's time to restart Nessus. So I open a new terminal and I use this code sudo systemctl restart Nessus D. So I hit enter and input my password. So it's time to go to the browser, and I'm going to use this code. So I'm going to paste this code, https /localhost 8834, or I can replace the localhost with Kali. So here I input my password, and that is it. The next thing is for us to scan. Now, for any reason I want to verify the version of the Nessus, I can use this code here, and this is the exact version we installed. So this shows that we are on the right track. So next, let's learn how to scan.